Hi, I'm Jean Pederson, and today we're going to talk about mixed media as it pertains to a profile portrait. We're going to use mixed media to help interpret your subject instead of staying with a traditional, realistic approach. Painting the figure is something very dear to my heart. Finding out who somebody is and what makes them tick. It's more than just painting an eye, a nose, a mouth. It's really thinking about the person and the soul of that person and how I can convey something of that person outside of the physicality when I'm doing the painting. Many of the ideas and techniques that we will be discussing can transition into other subjects and styles. We're going to talk about layering transparent inks and trying to make all kinds of really cool textures, how to choose your subject and how to draw it onto your board. We're going to establish value patterns within our painting and talk about collage. I would like to challenge you and your clients to shed traditional expectations of what a portrait should be and perhaps ask yourself, what if I tried this paper or this particular material and this paint and this scraping tool? What would happen if I layer these two different paints together? I hope that you can apply some of these ideas to your painting process to become the most authentic and strong artist that you can become.